when we could address different flavors of the day too. It seems to be a gold bull market on the cusp of one of those, so we have gold projects that could address that and serve that kind of clientele.
StockPulse back here on location, Vancouver Resource Investment Conference 2019. Got with me Rob Cameron. He's the president and CEO of Commander Resources. That's CMD on that venture. Hey Rob, appreciate you stopping by and a little update here. I hadn't talked to you in probably a few months. What's new and exciting?
I guess we last talked at the Cambridge show in San Francisco there in November. So ongoing work. We, as you know, we financed in May, so we've had a busy 7 months doing field work on a lot of our projects. As a prospect generator, you're always looking for new projects, upgrading your portfolio and looking for partners. So we've had a busy 7 months working on most of our projects. We got a couple of new copper projects we brought in the deal into the company, and we've been upgrading some of our existing ones, and it's exciting times. We're just starting to collect that data, and we'll be releasing some results over the next little while as that stuff matures.
Yeah. So yeah, walk us through here. We're always looking for news flow. A lot of opportunities in this room.
Yes.
How do you kind of separate yourselves from the pack?
Well, as a prospect generator, we are distinct in the sense that we follow that prospect generator model, which is sort of a conservative and risk-averse kind of approach to what is inherently a risky business. So there's a handful of really successful prospect generators here in the room, and we're sort of new to that brand and breaking into that space. But you know, Commander's been a prospect generator since inception in 1989. We just never sold ourselves as that. So that's what we've been doing the last couple of years here. It's you know, because we're exposed to a variety of projects in Canada. We got gold, we got base metal. We sort of can sort of service different flavors. Our main mandate right now, though, is find partners. So it's been a successful day today. We've had a few conversations with groups that are looking for a product, and you know, between majors and other juniors and even new listing companies that need listing properties, there's quite an audience for our projects.
Talk about how you navigated 2018. Help being a project generator model, I have to believe, in that environment.
Well, you know, one of the benefits of a prospect generator is that you keep your burn rate pretty minimal because you're only doing the front end of the exploration pipeline of activities, looking for partners and seeking out partners that could do the heavy lifting in the terms of the drilling and going forward from there. So in a downturn, you're protected a little bit because your burn rate is a little more efficient than others. We're not looking to raise millions of dollars to drill a project. We want to find a partner to do that for us. So we have a little bit of comfort in that going into what could be a slow market, or some people predict it could be a slow market. We don't really know. When we could address different flavors of the day too, it seems to be a gold bull market on the cusp of one of those. So we have gold projects that could address that and serve that kind of clientele. And you know, as we do joint ventures, we get income from our share payments and option payments. We clip a royalty, and you know, it helps sustain the story going forward. I think it's something that could weather a storm easier than most other projects, companies going forward. But you know, whether we're in a storm or not, we don't know yet. You know, people are worried a bit, I think, but I don't really see it. I think it's still a steady as you go kind of exploration space right now.
Yeah, important work has to go on.
Yeah.
What take us through the next 60 days here?
Well, 60 days is this is a trade show phase of the year for most juniors. So you know, we start off with the Cambridge House here in Vancouver. We got the Roundup, which is more of a technical show, but for a prospect generator, that's where you do your networking for finding partners for your deals, and then that flows automatically right into the PDAC. So we got a lot of you know, dissemination of news coming up from our field work that we did through the fall period that'll sort of feed into that spring market, and hopefully we'll get a couple deals signed up with some partners. That's our goal anyway, and we'll go from there. And then right into field season again.
Sure. Okay. We'll look forward to tracking your success here. That's Rob Cameron. He's President, CEO, Commander Resources, CMD on that venture. Hey, appreciate the update, Rob.
Okay, thanks a lot.